7 Secrets to Growing Giant Moondrops Grapes, Organic and Easy. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Farm 365. Today we are talking about one of the most unique and delicious grape varieties in the world, moondrops. Many people ask me, how do you get the grapes to be so large? Or how can I grow these without using chemicals? Today, I will share my 7 simple secrets for growing massive, sweet moondrops right in your own garden, using only organic methods. Make sure to watch until the end, because the 7th secret is the most important one for getting that huge size. Secret 1. The right spot in soil. The first secret is the foundation. Moondrops love the sun. If you plant them in the shade, the grapes won't get that deep color and they won't be sweet. Choose the sunniest spot in your garden. For the soil, I always use well-rotted manure and wood ash. The ash provides natural minerals and helps the roots grow strong. Secret 2. Natural feeding. I always say, natural is better than store-bought chemicals. In the spring, when the buds start to open, give the vines a boost with organic compost tea. Once the grapes start to form, use wood ash mixed with water. This is high in potassium, which makes the grapes extra sweet. Secret 3. Proper pruning. The secret to strength. Moondrops vines grow very fast. If you let them grow wild, all the energy goes into the leaves and the grapes stay small. My secret is to keep only 1 or 2 bunches per branch. Don't be afraid to cut away the extra shoots. This forces the plant to send all its power into the fruit instead of the leaves. Secret 4. Removing the leaves about a month before the grapes are ready. You should pull off the leaves around the bunches. Why? Because the fruit needs direct sunlight to ripen. This gives the moondrops their beautiful dark purple color and prevents diseases by letting the air flow through the vines. Secret 5. The watering schedule. There is one main rule for watering. Never water the vines while they are flowering, or the flowers will fall off. Once the grapes are growing, water them regularly. However, 2 or 3 weeks before harvest, stop watering completely. If you give them too much water right before picking, the grapes can crack or lose their sweet flavor. Secret 6. Natural pest control. Pests like aphids or mites can ruin your harvest. I use a very simple home remedy. Mix some natural soap with water and add a little bit of crushed garlic. Spraying this on the leaves is safe for the fruit, but it keeps the bugs away without using any toxic chemicals. Secret 7. Thinning the bunches. This is the biggest secret of all. Moondrops grow very close together in the bunch. If they are too tight, they can start to rot from the inside. I use small scissors to carefully remove the tiny or weak grapes from inside the bunch. This gives the remaining grape space to grow into that giant long shape we all love. Conclusion. Call to action. So those are my 7 secrets for growing perfect moondrops grapes. If you follow these steps, you will have a harvest that everyone will envy. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. I try to answer everyone. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Farm 365 for more gardening tips. Happy farming, and see you in the next video.